The pyramids of Egypt have fascinated people for centuries, and while there are still some mysteries surrounding them, many aspects of their construction and purpose have been uncovered through archaeological research. Here are some of the key secrets and facts about the pyramids' purpose. The pyramids were monumental tombs built for the pharaohs of ancient Egypt. They were believed to be the final resting places for their bodies and served as a means to ensure their safe passage into the afterlife construction. The pyramids were built during the Old Kingdom period of ancient Egypt, primarily between 2600 BCE and 2500 BCE. The construction involved thousands of skilled workers, including engineers, architects, and laborers. They were constructed using limestone blocks which were quarried and transported to the pyramid site. Pyramid design. The pyramids have a distinctive shape with a square base and 4 triangular sides that converge to a point at the top. The most famous pyramids, such as the Great Pyramid of Giza, were originally covered in smooth limestone casing stones, although most of these have been eroded or removed over time. Alignment. The pyramids were carefully aligned with the cardinal directions. The sides of the pyramids are almost perfectly aligned with the north, south, east, and west points of the compass, demonstrating the advanced astronomical knowledge of the ancient Egyptians' construction techniques. The exact methods used to construct the pyramids are still debated among scholars. The prevailing theory suggests that ramps were used to haul the massive stone blocks into place. The workers likely used a combination of wooden sledges, levers, and possibly even water channels to transport and position the stones. Internal structure. The pyramids consist of a series of passages, chambers, and corridors. The pharaoh's burial chamber is usually located deep within the pyramid. The chambers were filled with various treasures and items the pharaoh would need in the afterlife, including furniture, food, and other offerings. Pyramid complexes. The pyramids were not standalone structures, but part of larger complexes that included temples, causeways, and smaller tombs for the pharaoh's family members and high-ranking officials. These complexes were designed to facilitate the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife and to honor their memory. The symbolism. The pyramids held significant religious and symbolic meanings for the ancient Egyptians. They were associated with the Ben, a sacred stone representing the primordial mound that arose from the waters of chaos, and were believed to be the pharaoh's ascent to the heavens to join the gods. Labor and organization building. The pyramids required a massive workforce. The laborers were not slaves, but rather skilled and well-organized workers, who were likely recruited from various parts of Egypt and worked on a rotation basis. They received payment in the form of food, shelter, and other goods. Legacy and influence. The pyramids of Egypt stand as enduring symbols of the ancient Egyptian civilization and have captivated people's imaginations for centuries. They have influenced architecture and engineering throughout history, and their design elements can be seen in various structures worldwide. While there are still some unsolved mysteries surrounding the pyramids, such as the precise methods used to lift and position the massive stones, ongoing research and archaeological discoveries continue to shed light on these ancient marvels. Here are a few more intriguing aspects and unsolved mysteries related to the pyramids' pyramid texts. Inside the pyramids, particularly those of the Old Kingdom, intricate hieroglyphic inscriptions known as the pyramid texts were found. These texts contain religious spells, rituals, and instructions believed to assist the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife. They provide valuable insights into ancient Egyptian religious beliefs and practices. Construction timeline. The speed and precision with which the pyramids were built remain a subject of debate. The construction of massive structures like the Great Pyramid of Giza within a relatively short period, thought to be around 20 years, raises questions about the logistics and organization required to accomplish such a feat. Quarry locations. Identifying the specific quarries from which the pyramid stones were sourced has been a topic of interest, while some quarries have been identified, such as the Tura and Mahdi quarries near Cairo. Researchers are still working to uncover all the locations and understand the transportation routes used to move the stones. Construction order. The order in which the pyramids were built and the reasons behind the selection of specific locations remain intriguing. The 3 pyramids at Giza, for example, were built for the pharaohs Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure. The positioning and alignment of these pyramids have been associated with astronomical and symbolic significance, but the exact motivations behind their arrangement are not fully understood. Pyramid complexes. The pyramid complexes were not isolated structures, but rather integrated with a range of architectural elements. The purpose and function of all the components, including temples, causeways, and smaller pyramids, are still being explored. These complexes were likely designed with specific religious and ceremonial purposes in mind, but the details of their functions are not entirely clear. Lost pyramids. It is believed that many more pyramids existed in ancient Egypt than those that remain standing today. Over time, erosion, looting, and construction activities have led to the disappearance or destruction of many smaller pyramids. Archaeologists continue to search for these lost pyramids, hoping to uncover more insights into the diversity and evolution of pyramid construction. Symbolic passageways. The ascending and descending passages within the pyramids are thought to have held symbolic significance. The descending passage may represent the pharaoh's journey into the underworld, while the ascending passage could symbolize their ascent to the heavens. However, the precise meanings and interpretations of these passages are not definitively known. Advanced engineering. The construction techniques and engineering knowledge employed by the ancient Egyptians to build the pyramids were highly sophisticated for their time. The precision in aligning the structures, the massive scale of the projects, and the ability to transport and position enormous stone blocks all indicate a level of expertise that still astounds researchers today. While the pyramids continue to reveal their secrets through ongoing research and exploration, they also remind us of the incredible achievements of the ancient Egyptians and their enduring legacy in human history.